Well, hello everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom. This is Alex, and Alex is doing an unboxing of the GoPro care package, as I call it, from eBay. So it has a whole bunch of things in it. What is that? Anyway, we'll soon find out. It costs about $20-something, I think, for all this. It's not GoPro, but it's the GoPro style. So eBay special GoPro. I don't think we'll be using that yellow thing. Yeah, I'm assuming. Yes. So if you're like got your GoPro and a shark comes, hopefully you wouldn't, you know. Yep, open them up and then hold them up. That's that one. Oh yeah, that's a chest mount. Yep. Yeah. Yep, that's okay. Good. Chest mount. Good. Next. Moving on. What is it?
I don't know.
A wrist mount, maybe?
Oh, tripod.
One tripod? No, one of those cheap tripods. Cool. This will be a car mount thing, probably.
Car?
Yeah. Suction cup. Like a dash, maybe. Yes. Thing we will never use because we don't go scuba diving. What other goodies are in there? Oh yes, all the mounting bits. That's the one you can mount up on a motorbike. Or a pushy. Oh yes, and all the bits you can stick onto the helmets and things. Are there any curved ones?
Any curved?
Yeah, the bottom's curved. Not that, that's a sticker. The plastic bit. Yeah, that one's curved, see? See the bottom? It's curved a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And a couple more. What else is there? Just thought it'd be good value getting all this rather than individual bits. That's all the mounts for the helmets and things. Oh god. Yay for plastic. Oh, and a selfie stick thing. Yep. And a bag to put it all. Maybe. Or for the... And one more bag of more stuff. What? A little bit of helmet mount, maybe. Head mount, helmet mount, yep. Yep. Making art. Alright, there you
and
go.
those
Yeah, the sticky things.
done.
Cool, thank you for helping. There you go. Alright, so I'll put the link below. This is the eBay GoPro mount pack. Got a few little goodies in there and definitely good value, and I think covers most mounting options. So there it is. Alright everyone, stay tuned. GoPro's coming soon.